As any project in our life, we're going to start with the simplest design. What tools we're going to use? Let me tell you. Anything you have. We're not even going to use any of the brushes. We would need maybe a piece of wood, maybe a back of your brush, maybe a back of the pencil or marker, or right now I just went and had these flowers. I'm going to cut, boom, and we're going to try that. Shall we? Let's let's shake a little bit our paint, squeeze beautifully. Oh, it's gorgeous already, don't you think? I'm going for right now use end of my brush, boom, 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 and just gently look how gorgeous bag already is. So I'm going to put and vertically take up, boom, up, up. As you noticed, I'm doing my dots in a variety of places intentionally, because if I do it the same place, we could do just accidentally too many one or place. Well, frankly speaking, I just did it and doesn't really spoils my design. Why not? Then another interesting thing, if you do your first dot, another and another and another, you can see they're less, less, less. And we may even use this design. Okay, let's just bravely jump around, jump.
It really doesn't matter at all. In fact, in the painting style I do, there is no such a thing as mistake. Okay, let's try another one too.
Let's try this one. I frankly never tried that, so let's do that. With the beautiful flower stem. Oh, how pretty it is. So it's a gentle, idea I have right now. Oh my goodness. If I have, I'll just show you because I'm excited already. If I have my dots like this could be a flower. And I just decided to do that right now. And this could be your birthday gift bag or something like. If we'd like to a little bit embellish our very simple but elegant design, we can do it very easily right now. I'm going to use my stick of flower from flower stem and just do like this. Let's see. Up, down, down. So acrylic dries very quickly. So some of my dots already dried. That's why I cannot do that. But I'm not even worrying about that because it creates interest, by the way. So now to this design with several dots still wet, we're creating beautiful stars. So that's another way to add some beauty to this very simple design. Next way, now let me show a little bit closer. So there's our stars, and you see there is no real rhythm or rhyme for this. Let's try to add this glue. And again, you can leave it like this, or you can add with the glue with glitter. We can do it as independently like this, or individual. There's so many things, frankly speaking, you can do. Okay, now our acrylic is dry completely. It was just a few minutes. I had a cup of tea. And then we'll add a few, or a lot. Tuk, tuk, tuk. So it's so gorgeous.